What's up, everybody? Next up, we've got this old V8 intake manifold. It's already outgassed. It was not this dirty when he brought it to me, but you can see how much stuff comes out, and that's why it's so important to outgas these cast parts, especially before you powder coat them. We're gonna get these mating surfaces cleaned up. There's not too much left on there, but we're gonna get it off. It's going Sublime, which is like a greenish yellow color. It's pretty close to the OEM paint on his car. And then we're gonna be clearing it afterwards. So I'll let y'all follow along. So you can see it came pretty clean after doing that. It didn't take that long, and it'll look a lot better when the customer picks it up. And it also helps your tape stick a lot better when you're masking for blasting and powdering. All I used was an angle die grinder. This came from Harbor Freight. I think they're like 15 bucks. And then I use a red Scotch-Brite pad to clean it up. It's pretty hard to mess it up with one of these. It pretty much just takes surface contaminants off. That's about it. So before blasting, I'm gonna mask all the mating surfaces off with some duct tape. That way they don't get touched with the sand, and it keeps all the ports clean too as well. So that's gonna be the next step before we blast this, and then we'll mask it again with some high temp tape, and then we'll get it coated. Okay, now that we got it blasted, we're gonna get all this duct tape off and replace it with some high temp tape. And we're gonna get all the holes plugged, and we're gonna get it in the spray booth. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray this a little bit warm, just because the system I'm using isn't the best system. And there's a lot of hard to reach areas like in here and all these. So we're gonna go ahead and get it sprayed. It shouldn't start curing, it should just stick really well. We'll do it and see how it turns out.